Wow, sounds like D-meta. The more you have, the less you know what you have.
Or do you? Can your downloaded items classify themselves automatically? Do they have embedded or attached metadata? And does your software read them and classify incoming documents automatically so you can find them again in your knowledge base? The metadata-centric digi-libris reader program is the solution
And lets you search items based on metadata. Add your own attributes, share it, build lists, and generate citations. About metadata. Metadata is data about data, which helps to describe the content or characteristics of an electronic or physical object. Information about title, subject, keywords, authors, and publisher of a document helps retrieve online sources that could be interesting. Scientific publishing depends on such data for sharing, searching, classifying, and bibliographic referencing. Why do I need metadata? Resource description. Is it useful? Information retrieval. How do I find it again in the mass of material I have accumulated over time? Information management. Cataloging by criteria. Rights management. Can I copy-paste it? Metadata is ideally embedded in a document to be instantly available to users. Or, if not possible, it can be bundled with the data as a D-meta package, which has the same effect.
D-meta stands for Data plus Metadata Zip Package, which are files with an extension D-meta.
A D-meta file is simply an assembly of an electronic file of any kind tied together with its corresponding metadata. The metadata is an XMP sidecar file, which is a universally known format. Such a package may contain multiple pairs of data and metadata sets, and even single metadata files containing virtual items or links to an external resource. And since it can describe any data object, it is suitable for self-indexing, sharing of scientific data, local archiving and retrieving. About the software.
The easiest way to manage your knowledge base is called digi-libris Reader. It is metadata-centric, can read and write embedded metadata and D-meta packages, and use this information to organize your collection of ideas and things.
Digi-libris is easy to use. Just copy or drag a link or a file into the main window. It's instantly there and shows the main metadata. To get an overview and see metadata of files, just hover with the mouse over all entries. The main attributes of an object are visible at a glance, provided it is a D-meta bundle, or the file has useful embedded metadata. If not, you have to add these by hand. Let's look a bit closer at the metadata. Right-click on an entry and select View Metadata. The metadata entry mask opens, which lets you see and edit attributes, or attach pictures, external links, and local files, or assign topics. After adjusting metadata, you can create a D-meta bundle for sharing. Right-click on an entry.
This will create a compressed file with extension D-meta,
containing the selected item or items and their corresponding metadata as an XMP sidecar file. With metadata, you can search your collection of ideas and things. Open the Find window. Enter a query. Even using logical operators, it finds all instances matching your query. And there is a lot more digi-libris can do to help you work more efficiently. For instance, you can add a note to any entry, which can also be exported to a word processor, or open the mini browser for searching the web, or generate a citation and bibliographic reference based on the metadata of an object. As you've seen, digi-libris is very easy to use, and there are many more functions that you might find useful as a reader, author, or collector of things. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and best of all, it is free. Visit digi-libris.com now.